Greetings to everyone. I am Behnam Khorrami, a PhD in GIS from Doktora's Ödülü University. My PhD thesis was about the assessment of the fluctuations of groundwater storage through GIS and remote sensing techniques. About the novelty of our study, we use GRACE data, the Gravity Recovery and Climate Experiment, which is a state-of-the-art mission aimed to derive the spatial-temporal variations of water storage of the Earth. Notwithstanding its merits, the coarse resolution of the GRACE mission gets in the way of its holistic applications in scientific activities. Taking into account the importance of water for Turkey and considering the handicaps associated with the GRACE data, we utilize the enhanced version of the GRACE MASCOM data, JPL Release 6, for a country-wide investigation of water storage variations. We also tested the feasibility of the 10-kilometer downscale GRACE data for a local scale, that is the sub-basin scale analysis of groundwater fluctuations based on machine learning algorithms. Regarding the methodology and its feasibility, the GRACE mission is a new project operated under the auspices of NASA and the German Space Agency DLR. The mission is based on a satellite-to-satellite tracking mechanism to track the Earth's surface with an approximated horizontal distance of 220 kilometers and at an altitude of 500 kilometers. The GRACE measures the variations of the gravity which are processed and translated into, or let's say interpreted as, the variations of water storage. The methodology used in this project can be applied for any region, from large basins to small sub-basins of the world with acceptable accuracy. Regarding the scientific outputs of our project, I took part in some international conferences listed in this slide, which are the 15th International Conference on Natural Resources and Sustainable Environmental Management in Cyprus, International Symposium on Remote Sensing and Meteorology in Istanbul, Second International Conference on Environmental Engineering in Istanbul, and finally the 14th International Conference on Hydroscience and Engineering in Izmir. We also published 5 papers in top-notch journals, such as the Hydrological Processes, Journal of Hydrology, GIS Science and Remote Sensing, and 2 papers published in Geocarto International. Regarding the patent and industrial outputs of our findings or our project, honestly speaking, there is no patent applicable to our project, but our methodology, the methodological approach, the data sets we used and achieved results of our study can benefit the water and groundwater industry of the country as well as their associated sectors in terms of, let's say, an economical and up-to-date information retrieval, let's say, machine or means regarding the water storage of the country and its basins. More specifically, we believe that the State Hydraulic Works DCE DSI company can apply the proposed technique for a rapid and affordable evaluation of water and groundwater of the country to foster and enrich decision-making processes. And finally, I'd like to offer my sincere gratitude to all the members of the organizing committee of the IEEGRSS Turkey and the thesis competition program. Thanks a lot.